Termofoam, the best thermal insulation for poultry and pork. Thermal insulation of rigid panels of extruding polystyrene with excellent long-term stable thermal resistance. It is aseptic, hygienic, odorless, and washable. Does not absorb water, color white and green. Easy to operate and install. Lightweight. It does not propagate fire. It has high resistance to compression. Compatible with any type of roofing, solvent-free adhesive, systems and coatings. Complies with regulations, codes, and standards of the national and international quality. The insulation used in the livestock industry. Minimize the impact of environmental heat to the interior of the warehouse or construction. Control the transfer of heat by conduction, convection, and radiation. Maintain conditions of the thermal comfort in productive processes, increasing thermal efficiency. Reduce and optimize the power consumption of ventilation, refrigeration, or heating equipment. The best national and international certifications. LEED, Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. UL, Underwriters Laboratories. FM, Factory Mutual. ASTM, Test Method. RADCO, Test Method.